Is your salt helping or hurting you? Discover the truth about Celtic salt and why it might be the missing piece in your wellness routine. Are you looking for ways to boost your health and add exciting flavor to your meals? Ditch the refined salt and discover the magic of Celtic salt. In this video, we'll explore the hidden potential of this unique sea salt packed with essential minerals and potential health benefits. From improved hydration to better skin health, we'll uncover why Celtic salt might just become your new essential nutrient. If this is your first time here, my entire YouTube channel is dedicated to helping people get healthier, so make sure you subscribe so I can help you too. Have you ever wondered if the type of salt you use could really make a difference to your health? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Celtic salt, a natural mineral-rich salt that's been used for centuries. Stick around to discover how this ancient ingredient can boost your health in ways you never even imagined. Why Celtic salt? Celtic salt has 82 minerals and a variety of trace minerals which play an essential role in your body. An important question is, what is the best way for your body to absorb these essential minerals? Well, you just have to place a crystal of Celtic salt about the size of a sesame seed on your tongue when you drink a glass of water. One of the essential minerals in Celtic salt is magnesium, and Celtic salt has 3 different magnesium minerals. Magnesium is a water-hungry molecule. When you first put a crystal of Celtic salt on your tongue and then drink water, your mucous membranes in your mouth start absorbing those 82 minerals and takes them into your cells. Magnesium is involved with over 300 biochemical functions in your body, including its importance for bone health. It helps with the absorption of calcium, keeping your bones strong. The magnesium content in Celtic salt has a soothing effect on your nervous system, which is beneficial for relaxation and sleep. In my office, I use a product from Standard Process called EasyMag, but I'll go into the benefits of EasyMag in another video. Most people don't get enough magnesium and may suffer from symptoms of anxiety, irritability, fatigue, muscle cramps, muscle weakness, and even depression. Research has shown that magnesium supplementation can help to improve these symptoms. Celtic salt is harvested from the pristine waters off the coast of Brittany, France, where it is hand harvested, preserving its 82 mineral content. Table salt, on the other hand, is refined and is stripped of most of its nutrients. Celtic salt also has a lower sodium content than regular table salt. Unlike table salt, Celtic salt has important essential minerals such as magnesium, which I already mentioned, calcium, and potassium. These minerals play essential roles in muscle function, heart health, and bone strength. These minerals also help regulate nerve and muscle function. Celtic salt, with its natural electrolytes, may contribute to maintaining a healthy electrolyte balance, especially for those who exercise regularly or sweat a lot. Celtic salt is known to draw toxins out from your body. This detoxification effect supports your liver and your kidney function. Celtic salt promotes better digestion by aiding in the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes help break down foods such as carbohydrates, meats, protein, and fats, helping your body with efficient nutrient absorption, potentially contributing to a smoother and healthy digestive process. Celtic salt possesses anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce swelling and pain. Reducing inflammation in the body also has a positive effect on boosting your immune system. The minerals contained in Celtic salt, such as magnesium, calcium, potassium, selenium, copper, and iron, help to nourish and hydrate the skin, when added to your soaps and bath or skincare routine. Celtic salt helps aid moisture to your skin. Celtic salt can also help with dry skin, eczema, and acne. It can also help to exfoliate dead skin cells and unclog pores, leading to a clearer and brighter skin. Additionally, it can help to balance the skin's pH levels, reducing inflammation and irritation. Celtic salt can be a great way to add new dimension to your cooking, adding these essential minerals to your food. I'm talking about healthy foods, not fast foods or processed foods. Let's face it, you're not going to turn fast food into healthy foods by adding Celtic salt. So what are your thoughts on Celtic salt? Have you tried it? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy tips and strategies for better health. I'll see you on the next video, and thanks for watching.